Okay, what we're doing here is replacing the compressor components to a compressor, the start relay, and the overload switch with a 3-in-1. What the 3-in-1 will do is it will replace that relay and that overload switch, and it will also add a start capacitor, which will give it an extra boost when on startup, and then will phase out. Then the run capacitor will take over and do its job that it normally does. And basically what you do is you just pull the old components off, you find your 2 power supply, and there's typically always just 2 wires for a power supply. If you have more than 2 wires, that's because the additional wires typically will go to your condenser fan motor if it runs in circuit with the compressor itself. But you just remove the caps, which you can see I've already done here, from this, and that will go to your run capacitor. Then your 2 power supply wires, you will trim these 2 wires right here, which are the supply power for the compressor itself, and then those will get mounted to that, and it's 110 voltage, so it doesn't matter which way they go because it's alternating current. And you will just connect these things here with a wire nut. Your 3 wires that come off of your 3-in-1 that go to your compressor, there is a diagram on the 3-in-1 itself explaining which terminal each wire goes to. White will be towards the front, the terminal the closest to the front, and they are set up in a triangular shape, and it doesn't matter which way the black, whether it's at the top or the bottom, it still always goes to the center, and the white will always go toward the front. Okay, and it's just that simple. You just install this just like that, and if you have a run capacitor, make sure that you hook the run capacitor up to the 3-in-1, or it will burn up the compressor without it. It's very necessary. This is a Marvell wine cooler, but they all basically have the same functions as far as the compressor's purpose and operation.